Welcome to TopNotch Furnishers. In this video, we will guide you how to assemble a solid lid base bed, step by step. Step 1. Remove all packaging materials and carefully remove the foam protectors and loosen the nuts on the headboard using a cordless electric drill. Step 2. Attach the side rails to the headboard. Align the fittings properly and secure the nuts by hand first. Repeat the process on the opposite side, ensuring both rails are evenly aligned and firmly connected. Step 3. Attach the footboard to the side rails. Once all bolts are hand-tightened, use the cordless electric drills to fully secure the nuts. If a power tool is not available, a spanner or wrench can also be used. Step 4. Check all 4 sides of the bed frame to ensure every connection point is evenly tightened and stable. Step 5. Position the wooden support bar in the center of the bed frame. Align it properly and secure it in place to provide additional strength and support. Place the solid lid base onto the center support rails. Place your mattress on top. Thank you for choosing TopNotch Furnishers bed, designed for comfort, built for quality.